In this online course, I will show and explain you how to do the zero choreography that you saw at the beginning in the intro, and I will also not just show you the whole choreography step by step, I will also guide you through every move so that you'll be able to know how to do the C-hop, to do the V-step and back step, to do the V-step variation like inverted, and the other V-step variation back step that I didn't explain in the another one because this is another variation. So you will learn this all in this section. Stick till the end, and hope you enjoyed this one. Your petty moves, and you see us in the session number 1. The first session I will show you the whole choreography, and then we will start with the first move that is called the C-hop, okay? Let's go. You start actually like, it goes like this, then we go here, making a jump, making a back step, V-step, close it, coming up 2 times, close it, go up, come close it again, back step, coming, and then the C-hop, and then into a V-step and back step. It looks more difficult than it actually is, but let's start, and I will show it to you again in the real time, and then we will start with the first C-hop, and yeah, let's go. Okay, and now the first move will be the C-hop. This is what you have seen, like this, what it looks like, okay? Just made like this one, and then make the step back, a mid step to make the V-step and the back step. But actually, it's like the C-hop, okay? Jump with the left foot to the right side and land on the right foot on the heels, okay? So like here, okay? And then we make the step back on both. So we start in the center, both feet closed, making a jump to the right side. So as you can see, my right foot is on the ground, the heel touches the ground, and my left foot stands completely with the whole foot on the ground. And then I will jump to the back on both feet. Then I jump to the left side, on the left heel, my right foot stands on the ground, and then I step back to both, on both feet, okay? See, it's like this. It's not more, it's like step on the left heel, right foot follows, step to the back. But when we make like this step, we go straight like step, step, okay? So we have to close to close your foot a little bit into the V-step formation, okay? Because just if you do like this, it will look like this, that you're making a more twist. Because if you do like this, then it will be very complicated to go behind your foot, okay? So keep in mind that you have to always bend your knees a little bit, as you can see. You can also take your arms a little bit up, taking a little bit to the breast, but don't do any gang signs because we're not affiliated with it, or at least I'm not, so don't do it. But you just take our arms, hands to the breast, and then we make a left jump on the heel, right foot follows, coming back into a slightly closed V-step formation. You have enough space to make this back step and left foot twist out, okay? Left foot twist out, right foot back step. This actually V-step, just like a one-sided V-step and the back step. So just start for this position, you start in the closed V-step position, and then you go here, okay? When you did this, and when you land here in the closed V-step position, we are now done with the first session, because I think that you have to get the vision, because I think you receive the vision of how it works, like you're making a hop and then a back hop, but you land in a slightly closed V-step, so that your toes will touch, okay? And your heels will be wide as open, as wide as open as you need to make a twist out, a V-step and the back step. But this is the move for the next session. Welcome back to the second session of this TikTok series, and right now I will show you after what is coming after we land into the closed V-step, because now we have to go into the V-step. Like left foot will make a V-step, we will twist with the weight on our heels, we will twist our toes to the outside. We will lift our toes up and lift and twist them to the outside. And at the same time, we're making with the right foot a back step. Okay? So we will shift our weight to the back step, okay? On the right foot. Again, we land here, we make like 1 and 2, okay? So we go like just like 1 and 2. We twist our left foot to the outside and our right foot will make a back step, okay? Twist your left foot over with the weight over your heel and lift your toes up, twisting to the outside and make with the right foot a back step. From the perspective it will look like this, okay? Just easy. Shift your body weight, that you stand and you're balanced. Balance yourself out on the right foot, okay? So that I can make a step, okay? You see? The weight's on my right foot. I twist it out, but the main weight is on my right foot. So that I can make a heel toe. Again, we will start here, close V step, and then we go to the left. Left foot twists out, right foot back step. Do this a couple times. Take your time and repeat it till you got it, okay? And if you already got this, you can also shift sides and go to the right side and try it. So you get the feeling for this move, okay? Just practice it a little bit, and till then we will see us in the next session, and there we will start to combine all these moves so that you get a better feeling for this whole choreography. Right now, after we already learned the C hop, landing on the closed V step and twisting out to the V step and back step, now we will add a heel toe. Not like a classic heel toe, but in a kind of way just to give us the option to switch sides, okay? But as you've seen, that my weight, the majority of my weight is on my right foot. I can use my left foot to make this step, okay? Try it. Right now, try it. So we twist out, V step, back step, and then we make like this step on the heel. Do this. Right now. Do this, and then we have to change positions again, like this, and then you will use the weight of your heel toe here to make a jump into a closed V step again, okay? But we go for it slower because this is the heel toe. So if you don't know how to heel toe is not actually a C-walk move, but it's a clown walk move, or it's also a footwork move that's also often combined in the clown walk videos, in clown walk dancing sessions, not in the real trip walk, C-walk, but in the clown walk. So we will stick to this plan and we will make a heel toe where I will have the main weight on my left heel, and then I will use my right foot to swing into this position from the left side to the right side, okay? Try it. Do this a couple times. And if you have problems with this, use your arms to pretend as you would grab something, okay? And pull it so that you get in this direction. And if you have done this, jump into the closed V step. So we make like, whoo, huh. Okay? Like 1, 2. Okay? Like 1, 2. Okay? I think you got it. If not, just practice it again and take your time how much you need to get comfortable and familiar with it. And after we made the heel toe and coming here, we will see us in the next session.